Excuse me. Y'all ever heard of a Twaid-Out?
It's the way, the way, it's the way, it's the way, it's the way that you, it's the way that you talk, way that you walk, way that you, way that you talk.
What's up, fam? Welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl Crystal, aka Curly Chris, and in today's video I am doing something new that I've never ever tried on my hair. I saw this on Instagram. Two influencers that I follow had did this thing called a braid, no, what did they call it? It's like a braid out at the front, on top, and then a twist out at the bottom. Let me see if I can get the actual name of it, because it was some funky name. A Twaid-Out. It's called a Twaid-Out, okay? And basically what it is a braid at the top and then a twist at the bottom. Let me make sure I got that right. Yes, braid at the top, twist at the bottom. So basically you're supposed to get more elongated results is what it seems like with this style. The influencer that I saw do it was Naturally Madison, and also she tagged someone else that she saw do it, which was Life with Joe. She did it. Faith Music Curls, who I follow, she did it. And apparently Kinky Curly Mary did it as well. So these are people that Madison had tagged in her post that I saw. So yeah, it was super cute, I thought, and I was like, wow, I never heard of a Twaid-Out before. But basically the point of it is that it's supposed to give you more definition and also elongate your results, because you know a braid out is going to elongate naturally. So you get a braid out with a twist out definition at the end. So let's see what it looks like. I'm excited to see, you know, their end result and everything. So I'm not even gonna stall or anything. Let's go ahead and hop into this video. Alright y'all, so I went ahead and did this side of my head because I just wanted to go ahead and get one side out the way, and now we're going to do this side together. So this is what it's looking like so far. So what a Twaid-Out is a half braid, half twist. So it's a half braid out, half twist out. So as you can see, I have half braid at the top and then twist out at the bottom, and the ends are nice and coiled, and did this entire side that way. So all you're going to need is your regular products, whatever you use for a twist out, braid out, whatever, a cream, a leave-in conditioner, boom. So that's all I'm using today is a cream and a leave-in conditioner. No oil for right now. I know I usually seal with an oil, but I did not put an oil on. Put my towel back on because it's getting a little drip drip. Alright, so we have this section right here. I'm going to go in with some leave-in conditioner. Alright, so this is going to be my first section. I applied the leave-in. Now I'm going to get my brush and detangle. And this brush that I'm using is the Pattern Beauty brush by Tracy Ellis Ross. You have not seen my review on all of her products from her new line, then I'm gonna link it right above. But yeah, I like this brush a lot. It's like a Denman. So I went ahead and detangled that, and now I'm gonna go in with my cream of choice, apply it thoroughly, and then go ahead and start to braid and then twist at the bottom. So we're going to start out with a braid, and I actually like the idea of starting out with a braid so your roots can be like real tight, and then we're going to start to twist. So you just add two pieces of hair together and then start to twist all the way down. My only concern is that I don't want the ends to become like a chunky twist out, because I'm adding 3 pieces of hair into 2. So I hope that like the thickest piece does not become like less defined because it has more hair attached to it, you know what I mean? So I hope everything is like equally defined. Let my hair dry and I'll be back in the morning so we can see these results. Alright fam, so my hair is dry all the way. It's been about 3 days, y'all. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. It's been about 3 whole days since I put this in my head because I've been so busy and have not been able to take it out. But I'm gonna do it right now. So my hair is completely dry and I love how they look. Like my hair is so moisturized right now. Like they look so good, right? Like they juicy as heck. And they got a little lint to them, okay? Alright, so I'm gonna use my As I Am olive oil. Drip, 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 drip. Okay? Just has a little moisture on my phalanges because they're kind of dry. Alright, let's get it. So I'm gonna start in the back. Start in the back, you know you like it like that. So I'm gonna take it down like always. Okay. No babe, I'm not at work. Take it down like I always do. This is the braid part. When she's detangled, you can still pull her, okay? Don't forget, detangling your hair is key, sis. Like, detangle it. Because if you don't, you're going to get some frizzy results. Let's look at it real quick. Let's look at it. Oops, I got 4 pieces now. Okay. She's defined. Focus on the hair, please. Thank you. She's defined. Yes. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and take these out. And then I'm going to separate afterwards.
Once again.
Alright, so this side is completely out. This is what it's looking like. The definition is really, really nice. So now we're going to go ahead and separate and fluff this side. Then I'm going to do this side off camera. So when I separate, I'm going to do the exact same thing that I always do when I twist around the ends for some extra definition, and so that definition can stay at the end. Okay, sis, everything out. So let's fluff a little bit to get some. I kind of want volume. I want lots and lots of volume with this style. So yes, I'm gonna keep on fluffing, and I'm gonna go take out this side, and I'm gonna come back. Final results, final thoughts, everything like that. So I'll be right back. Alright, y'all. So this is my final look. I really do like these results. They're like very, very fluffy and voluminous. I am wearing clothes, by the way. Don't think I'm naked. Pull that up so y'all don't think I'm a freak. No, let me stop. But yeah, these are my final results. I think it's super, super cute. I love the volume and everything. As far as the Twaid-Out, it's cool, but I can't really tell that big of a difference between like my twist out and this, or my braid out in this. So like I don't know if it's worth like doing it every time. It is a cool concept and everything, but I do like my twist outs and braid outs still, especially my twist outs, of course. So I do like the definition I got and everything, but it's not like amazing to me or anything like that. Like it's not anything mind-blowing, as you guys can see. It just looks like a regular, I would say like twist out maybe, or braid out, maybe twist out, because it's very, very fluffy. But it's also not as defined as we're used to, of course, because y'all know we used to definition on this channel, okay? And this is like more volume, more fluffiness, more frizziness than defined, you know? But if you're going for a fluffy look, then most definitely I would say try this. And yeah, it's cute though. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you prefer my twist outs, or the Twaid-Out, or the braid out? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't get tongue twisted or tongue tied, because you can. And yeah, thanks for watching today's video. I appreciate y'all. Oh. And yes, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Like it, comment, show me some love, turn the notifications on so you know when I post and everything like that. And I'm gonna see y'all later.